Look down at your hand. It feels solid, a single, unbroken object. But if we zoom in and dive past the surface of your skin, that illusion falls apart. You are a walking collective of 37 trillion individual living entities. Each one of those cells is practically a bustling metropolis. It has power plants, industrial districts, shipping centers, and waste management facilities. With so many moving parts, how does this microscopic city coordinate its specialized workers to keep you alive every single second without collapsing into chaos? Every well-run city needs a hub. In the cell, that's the nucleus, right here in the center. Inside this vault sits your DNA. This double helix contains master blueprints for your entire body, dictating everything from eye color to your heartbeat. Without these specific instructions, the rest of the cellular workers wouldn't know what to build or where to go. Of course, you can't run a city or manufacture anything without a reliable power grid. That brings us to the mitochondria, which act as the dedicated power plants floating continuously throughout the cell's thick, fluid cytoplasm. This diagram illustrates their exact job. They take raw fuel from food, combine it with oxygen, and generate chemical energy called ATP. Those glowing ATP units are the physical energy currency your body spends to blink, think, and function. This steady output of ATP is the foundational fuel that makes all biological manufacturing possible. With power secured, construction finally begins. These are ribosomes, functioning as the tireless factory workers of the cell. They read the blueprints copied from the nucleus and translate them by physically assembling raw amino acids into long protein chains. Most workers are stationed outside the nucleus in the endoplasmic reticulum, or ER. The rough ER is studded with ribosomes, bending protein chains into functional shapes. The smooth ER lacks ribosomes, manufacturing essential lipids and detoxifying harmful chemicals to protect the cell. Within this massive, interconnected maze, abstract genetic instructions are physically forged into the tangible building blocks of your body. But producing materials is only half the battle. They still need to be delivered. This stacked structure is the Golgi apparatus, acting as a highly efficient post office. Raw proteins and lipids arrive, receive final chemical tags, and are packaged into secure vesicles. These parcels are then shipped along internal highways to targeted locations or exported. Meanwhile, any excess water, nutrients, or materials waiting to be processed are sent to vacuoles, large secure storage warehouses. Without this precise logistical system of sorting, packaging, and storing, the cell's manufacturing output would pile up in a useless traffic jam. Speaking of pile-ups, a bustling city generates a massive amount of waste. And in a microscopic environment, accumulated garbage quickly becomes lethal. To handle this, the cell deploys lysosomes. These are specialized sanitation units that patrol the cytoplasm, hunting down worn-out machinery or foreign bacteria. When a lysosome catches a target, it uses powerful digestive enzymes to break down the complex materials, recycling the useful bits and neutralizing the rest. This rapid, ruthless cleanup process prevents the city from choking on its own debris. Power generation, heavy industry, precise logistics, and waste disposal. All of these specialized organelles are running at absolute maximum capacity, perfectly synchronized, every single second you are alive. This sequence repeats simultaneously across every one of the 37 trillion cells that make up your body. You are the sum total of these microscopic cities. Trillions of invisible workers executing billions of precise instructions, all collaborating to build, sustain, and